Operation and maintenance of the Kanawha Scales and Systems Heavy Vehicle Scale Test Unit. Unloading the cart and test weight. The design of our test unit makes it easy for one operator to load and unload the equipment without ever entering the vehicle. Unloading the cart is a simple 4-step process. After opening the doors, the operator swings out the crane arms, unlocks the weight cart, and uses the remote control to lift and unload the cart. In the unlikely event of a failure of our handheld remote control, a manual loading and unloading mechanism is located inside the truck. After the cart is on the ground, the operator disconnects the spreader bar and begins the process of unloading the test weights into the cart. Using the remote control wand, the operator picks up 4 weights at a time using the spreader bar and unloads the weights into the weight cart, all while standing back at a safe distance. This cart is designed to carry 20 1,000-pound test weights, calibrated to Class F tolerances. Our spreader bar is designed to carry 4 1,000-pound test weights at a time. And to set them neatly into place in the cart that was designed to fit them exactly. Operating the loaded test cart. Kanawha Scales and Systems test carts are known for safe handling and ease of operation. They provide great maneuverability and have all the power needed to move test weights in various types of terrain. To ensure operator safety in the event of a mishap, forward and reverse controls are designed to operate in a left-right manner rather than forward and backwards. Reloading the test weights and cart. Operators should attempt to center the cart in the middle of the opening of the test unit. This will facilitate and make it much easier to load the test weights from the cart into the truck. Every attempt should be made to ensure the truck is as level as possible, which will greatly aid in loading the test weights and test cart into the loading pattern in the test unit. Once the weights are loaded, the operator then positions the spreader to pick up the cart and again from a safe distance. Uses the remote control wand to lift the cart into the test unit van body. To secure the test cart into the test unit, the operator utilizes the two-point locking system used by Kanawha Scales and Systems by first sliding the locking mechanism under the test cart and then using the chain binder to fasten the back of the test cart onto the floor of the test unit. After the cart is fastened down and secured, the operator then closes the swing arms by unlocking the mechanism, swinging the arms in, and then relocking and securing the arms into place. At this point, the doors to the test unit are secured and locked, and the test unit is ready to travel down the highway. Trolley and loading mechanism maintenance. The trolley and loading mechanism in a Kanawha Scales and Systems test unit is designed to require very little maintenance. Only 3 points require grease on each of the 2 overhead trolley rollers used in our system. In addition, the chain and sprocket unit of the overhead trolley system does require occasional lubricant on the chain from time to time. Chain spindles on the spreader bar use either a normal grease fitting or the new wells that are filled with 30 weight oil. Refer to the owner's manual on the Lincoln welder for regular scheduled maintenance. Maintenance on the 3K weight cart. Operators need to ensure that fuel levels are properly maintained by referring to the fuel sight gauge. Fuel filters for the hydraulic systems should be serviced annually just before recalibration. Basic engine maintenance. Fuel filters should be monitored and changed annually just before recalibration. Air filters and oil filters should be changed according to manufacturer specifications. Hydraulic levels can be monitored through the hydraulic level gauge located on the right side of the test cart. Hydraulic levels should only be added through the sealed hydraulic fill reservoir just prior to recalibration. Grease fittings on the 3K cart include the steering axle pivot pin, the left steering axle, the right steering axle, the right steering spindle pin, and the left steering spindle pin. Grease fittings on the 5K cart are the same fittings as the 3K with the addition of the left and right tandem pivot pins. General safety precautions should always be observed when operating heavy equipment. Kanawha Scales and Systems has considered safety into every aspect of the design of this test equipment. Kanawha Scales and Systems believes in manufacturing only the safest, most dependable, and longest lasting equipment that money can buy. Please contact us with any questions concerning our test equipment. We'll be happy to answer your questions and assist you in any way.